Tax season, and experts say Americans should prepare for another tax season impacted by the pandemic. From the stimulus check to the advanced child tax credits, people have a lot to sort out while filing their taxes this year. News Channel 12's Megan Scarano is joining us live to break it all down for us. And Megan, could people see smaller refunds as a result?
Frank, some could see smaller refunds because of the advanced child tax credit, but accountants say that every situation is different and what you see really just depends on what yours is.
We are needing to get a head start on the taxes.
Like many this tax season, Brittany Jones wants to get her taxes over and done with. But with the IRS still suffering from impacts of the pandemic, accountant Gail George Alexander says this could be another tax season filled with frustration.
It makes our lives a lot more difficult, which unfortunately makes our clients' lives in some situations more difficult. I was on the phone yesterday for a little over 3 hours to handle an easy situation.
Many people received advanced child tax credits under the American Rescue Plan. Now some worry they could see a smaller tax refund.
The tax code is millions of pages that are black and white, but it's not always black and white because one step will lead you to another step.
Alexander breaks down the instances in which people could see a smaller refund than they had hoped.
It is not free money. It is a credit that goes on your tax return. In the past, it was a $2,000 credit. So if you got the $2,000, it just inflated your refund. Well, now it should inflate your refund by the $3,000 for the child tax credit, but you got $1,500 up front. So now you're only going to see $1,500 on your tax return.
She also says the advanced child tax credit will benefit some in the refund who wouldn't have received a credit for their child at all.
They've also increased it to include 17-year-olds this year. In the past, it cut off the year you turned 17. So that has helped some individuals too.
With COVID giving people yet again so much to keep track of this tax season, Jones hopes she can get it all right the first time to avoid waiting for her refund.
Making sure everything that I've got in line matches up with my preparer.
And while you should file as soon as you can, they also say to come prepared to your appointment with all the forms and the statements that you need. And we will have more information on our website about how this advanced child tax credit could impact you. Live in New Bern, I'm Megan Scarano with News Channel 12.